my FabFitFun box came, and I have waited for you, my friends, to do the unboxing. I know about the items that I did pick. I'm just wondering about, like, I felt something hard in there, like a book or something, and so I don't know what else is in there. Now, you've probably all seen FabFitFun unboxings by other people, but you haven't seen me do it, so yeah. So anyway, it comes with that book. A lot of times it's like more like a newspaper. This is more like a magazine. And inside it has stuff about the different brands that you got. Okay. I did buy one extra, which they did put in this box. So anyway, let's break the tissue paper. I can never do it real neatly. Okay, so anyway. Awesome. This is the extra that I got. I see Glam Glow. Not a fan. Not a cruelty-free company. But this is the extra I got. Somebody used my code to sign up, which gave me $15 toward the purchase of an item. So this $65 primer was listed during the sale that they do just prior to sending your box out. Oh, so beautiful in there. But anyway, this was listed for $19. What a freaking steal. If I had more money, I would have bought 2 of them so I could give one to my daughter, but I didn't have the money to buy her one. But anyway, I had $15 from my generous subscribers, one of which did sign up for a box. There is a code down below. If you sign up, you'll get, I'm probably quitting, so it probably won't benefit me, except that maybe it'll help me get another box if I decide to get one. But it'll give you money off your first box. I can't remember whether it's $10 or $15, but in any case, it gives you a discounted rate for a box. Now, you might still be able to get this box, I'm not sure, but I'll put my code down below. It's not an affiliate code, which is something that earns you money, like that you can deposit into your bank account. It's basically a code that gives you credit and me credit if you use it, and I can only use it toward the purchase through FabFitFun. So anyway, this was like, oh, and I forgot to tell you what I got it for. $4, because a generous person signed up using my link, which gave me $15, and this was listed for $19, so I got it basically for $4. Awesome. And it is something I've always wanted. Alright, next, I do like when they include bars and food items. So this is a food item which I'll probably eat as soon as I'm done taping because I'm freaking starving. And it is a salted caramel nut bar. This looks freaking delicious. I think I'm going to enjoy that. Alright, next, this is one of the items I picked. And it is a Catherine Malandrino umbrella. Clearly not going to open it for you in here, but it's a like, you know, the kind where you press the button and the umbrella goes poof. And it's a full-size umbrella, and it's covered with flowers and has a ruffled edge. So yeah, I just thought I'd rather have this than another tote bag, and that was the choice. It was a Camuto, Vince. I'll look in the book and let you know. Or an umbrella, and I decided the umbrella was the best thing. Okay, next thing. Oh yeah, and this is one of the other items I chose. You guys know I'm a serious tea drinker. Oh crap, can't open it. My nails are already destroyed because I polished them and then I decided to clean. Who does that? Okay, so when I was turning the light on, which is not helping at all, I managed to open the box. Now, you guys know I'm a pretty heavy tea drinker, and I love tea. This is an adorable little, and I collect teapots, by the way. This won't be a collectible. This will just be me making a giant bunch of tea. So it's got it's not the kind you can use on the stove, even though you might go, oh, that's really neat. It says ceramic and stainless steel, but it's truly just ceramic on the bottom. And the stainless steel is this thing. Let me take that off. And it has a diffuser basket. Let's see if we can get this apart. See what you get when you watch one of my videos? It's got this tea diffuser basket, so you can load this with tea, put it in there, pour boiling water in, and you're brewing yourself a nice little pot of tea. The only thing I can see is that this would be kind of like a pain in the butt to clean, just because this lid is attached and it doesn't look like it comes off at all. Everything else comes out, so it would be dishwasher safe. But I think it's going to end up being a hand cleaning job. So this, that's the only negative. If this popped off, and it doesn't look like it does, then it would be super easy. But yeah. Anyway, I really like it because I like tea. I drink tea almost every night. Like this thing in the bottom that I could have left behind, which is a beauty blender. It's a freaking beauty blender. I've never had a black one. I have a pink one. I've never had a black one, but it is an authentic beauty blender. These are like 20 bucks a pop, so that's really good. That is really, really good. Okay. And I have started using makeup sponges more often. Okay, and there are a couple of bubble sheet masks, oxygenating deep cleanse mask, blah, 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 blah. So it is these masks. Here's what the back label looks like. So I don't know if they're black masks. See, the back says, unfold the mask, dampen face, place onto face. It's first, most of the time I put a mask on dry skin. And then it says the oxygenating micro bubbles will start to form within 60 seconds. Leave on for approximately 3 minutes. Remove mask and gently massage face with remaining cleansing bubbles and rinse. So this is a mask that you put on and you rinse off. So there are 2 of these. You can really feel the moisture in there. And kitchen towels. Honestly, not a bad thing to include in a box. These are woven towels. Now my daughter likes gray and she's getting a house, so I might leave these in the package and give them to her if she wants them. Next, something I've been really curious about, and it's the Grown Alchemist. By the way, I looked it up and they are cruelty free. Hydro Repair Day Cream with Camellia, Geranium, and Geranium Blossom. Free from blah, blah, blah. It's got a whole bunch of stuff that it doesn't have in it. No lauryl sulfate, no petrochemicals, no artificial fragrance, no nitrosamide releasers, no DEA, no TEA, no parabens, no paraffins, no synthetic colors, no glycols. I love that they have such a minimalist tube, and it's so like not over labeled. It also feels like a metal tube, so I'll be using a tube twister thinger in this to make sure I get everything out of it. I'm not going to start using it yet though. I just started using the Paracone MD that I got from Influencer, so I like to use like one skincare thing at a time. There's a full-size pharmacy eye cream, which it's just awesome. Isn't it a beautiful thing? So yeah, I'm really excited about that because I've been using like the little remnants of eye cream I have from old eye cream tubes, and I did really need this. Next thing I'm a little worried about is this blue Capri. It doesn't look blue, and I have to do some more research about what blue dye is in there. If there is any, it's a shower gel. So I could give myself the worst case of body dermatitis on earth if I'm not careful. I did use a conditioner that had a blue tint, and it turned my whole forehead where I had put it bright red. I have to find out which blue I'm allergic to. This says that it contains yellow number 5, yellow number 6, blue number 1, and red 40. Why did they have to put dye in here? And this is from Crown Brush. Alright, so this came in a neat little case. The case is going to go bye-bye. And these are going to go into my brush collection. One thing I don't mind having a lot of is face brushes, makeup brushes, because I do go through them quite a lot, and so it looks like there's a powder brush, a angled brush for blush. There's like all kinds of brushes here, but there's nothing to explain what they are. I'm sure it'll say on the handles. But it looks like there's an eyeliner brush, eyeshadow brush, a blending brush, a blush, and a powder blush. And a powder brush. I thought I selected the I thought I selected the rose gold bezel, but I might have changed that last minute because I was going in and out and in and out. And yeah, I think I probably changed to the all black. I think they looked a little cheaper when they had the rose gold bezel on them. So that is it for this box. This is amazing. What I'm going to do is put my glasses on and get that magazine and tell you what everything is worth. Christina Applegate is on the cover. This was for breast cancer awareness. There was also money that you could donate. The Vince Camuto bag, they show it right there. I didn't choose that because I don't need another tote bag. Okay, so here are the products. The Beauty Blender is $20. Simply Whimsical tea towels, they're actually kitchen towels, $14.99. Skin & Co. Damn it, I like Skin & Co. stuff. Roma Blue in Capri, multi-purpose shower gel. I'll be giving that to my daughter. That's $22. The Glam Glow sheet masks, a 2-pack, is $18. The Luna rice bar is not, it's priceless. I guess they don't bother to price the food items. The Vince Camuto bag. Wow. Was going for $128. It's a tote bag, but it has Vince Camuto's name on it. But it's a tote bag. It's a giant tote bag. Well, I didn't pick that. I picked the Crown Brush set, which for me made more sense. If I was thinking strictly of money, I probably would have picked the Vince Camuto bag, but I don't like to think that way. I like to think for what is going to, be good for me to use. And I got the Crown Brush 6-piece set, and wow, $75. $75. Holy crap. Okay, then the choice pages came, and the choice pages are here. And I could have chosen an Alfred French press for, coffee French press. But instead I got the Alfred teapot, and the teapot is $26. The Catherine Malandrino umbrella in red floral is $39.99, Or I could have gotten Bluetooth headphones. So look at there, you can see that it's got that ruffly bottom. I just thought that was such a ladylike, pretty thing. Then you could pick either of the Crown Alchemist stuff. You could pick the Polishing Facial Exfoliant, which I have a ton of already. The Day Cream, which I did choose. Or you could get the Crown Alchemist Hydra Restore Cream and Cream Cleanser. Yeah, it looks like I chose the Pharmacy Eye Cream. But I don't remember choosing it. So anyway, it says, oh, select members only got to choose. I'm a select member because I joined for a year. If you're a regular member, then you didn't get to choose which of these 3 items that you got. So the eye cream, a lip thing, and what is this other thing? Cuccio Somatology Detox Bath. So it's like a shower gel. So of course, Pharmacy being one of my favorite brands, I absolutely love that. So this was an amazing box, and I got pretty much, the only disappointment for me, I got pretty much a ton of stuff that I really love, is this Skin & Co. wash. Because I'm allergic to blue dye. I don't know which one, but yeah, I'm allergic to blue dye, so I cannot use this. So anyway, that's gonna go on Poshmark or to my daughter. I don't know if she wants to use it either, so. Skin & Co. is cruelty-free, so maybe she'll want it, but she's also overburdened by a whole bunch of stuff and like having too much, which happens very easily. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been an amazing FabFitFun box, and I absolutely love pretty much everything I got. And this might be my last box. I think that this is the end of my 1-year subscription. So you guys have watched me. I did one box. I did it before I became a year-long member, and then I switched over. So you guys watched me unbox 5 of these boxes now. And I think it's time for me to get away from this subscription. I can't afford it. It's $49.99. If I get a referral or 2, then I'll be able to get it. But you know, referrals are a dime a dozen. You just don't get them that often that people actually click your link. So I'll be able to get it again, but a single box, and I won't have as many choices. So anyway, dog's laying in the sun. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary with a really, really good FabFitFun box. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That does help me. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and become a member of the Reviewer's Diary family. Thank you, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.